The DeWalt DXEC 14412 lighted locking extension cord is a 12-foot 14-gauge cord with a built-in LED light. It features a locking connector and weather-resistant construction for outdoor use. The cord provides extra reach for power tools and appliances, while the LED light illuminates work areas. With a limited lifetime warranty, it's a reliable and versatile solution for various applications, ideal for home improvement projects, yard work, camping, and emergencies. The DeWalt Mobilelock portable alarm with real-time tracking is a versatile device that offers real-time tracking and protection for your valuable assets. With its built-in GPS receiver and various sensors, it can detect and notify you of any movement, vibration, tilt, or temperature changes. The device features a loud siren that can deter potential thieves and is powered by rechargeable batteries for up to 30 days of runtime. It's easy to install and use with a weatherproof design that can withstand extreme conditions. Whether you need asset protection for personal or professional use, the DeWalt Mobilelock is a reliable and affordable solution. The DeWalt Suspended Air Filtration System is a versatile and effective solution for woodworking and other dust-producing activities. It features a two-stage filtration system with a static cotton medium efficiency filter and an H11 HEPA high efficiency filter. The system offers an 8-hour timer, 4 working modes, and a remote control for convenient operation. With its comprehensive filtration capabilities and adjustable settings, it helps improve air quality by capturing both larger particles and smaller contaminants like mold spores and bacteria. Whether you're working in high-traffic or low-traffic areas, the DeWalt Suspended Air Filtration System ensures a cleaner and healthier environment. The DeWalt DXF 2475 24 inches drum fan is a versatile and powerful workshop fan designed for enhanced airflow. With a 24 inches diameter and variable speed output, it provides customizable airflow direction and efficient cooling. The fan's heavy-duty frame and rubber pads ensure durability, while the 3.6 MTR mains lead offers flexibility in various environments. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the DeWalt DXF 2475 24 inches drum fan is a reliable choice for workshops and job sites. Stay cool and comfortable with this robust mobile fan. The DeWalt USB to Micro to Type-C. Retractable 3-in-1 cable is a versatile and durable charging cable designed for convenience and compatibility. Its retractable design allows for easy storage and portability, while its 3-foot length provides added convenience. With connectors for Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C devices, it is compatible with a wide range of smartphones and tablets. The cable is made with durable materials to withstand everyday use, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, this cable is a reliable charging solution for all your devices. DeWalt Exocore axes and hatchets are durable tools designed for forestry and demanding applications. With a lightweight handle, they offer balanced swings for deeper cuts. The scalloped cutting edges penetrate wood and release easily. These axes have a carbon fiber composite overstrike for durability and a forged steel head for strength. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort and control. Backed by a lifetime warranty, DeWalt Exocore axes and hatchets are reliable tools for the job. DeWalt Tool Connect is a construction inventory management system that uses Bluetooth technology to track tools. It includes a mobile app and web portal for real-time tracking, alerts, and tool disabling. This system improves productivity by reducing search time and preventing tool loss. It also deters theft and helps recover stolen tools. Additionally, it saves money by reducing the cost of lost or stolen tools and optimizing tool maintenance. DeWalt Tool Connect is a valuable solution for construction companies seeking enhanced productivity, theft prevention, and cost efficiency. The DeWalt 10 cubic foot swivel cart is a heavy-duty and versatile cart designed for yard work. With its 10 cubic foot capacity and 800-pound weight capacity, it can easily transport materials with ease. The cart features a 110-degree swivel bed for convenient maneuverability and a foot pedal dump for effortless unloading. It is made from durable materials and has a welded undercarriage with square frame tubing for added strength. The high-density polyethylene bed ensures durability, while the pneumatic tires and rubberized handles offer smooth operation. The cart is easy to assemble and is a reliable tool for various yard tasks. The DeWalt Job Site Pro wireless earphones are durable and water-resistant wireless earphones designed for workers. They offer a stable connection with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. With an IPX4 water resistance rating, they provide protection against water and dust. The earphones have a long battery life of up to 15 hours for continuous playback. They also feature a built-in microphone for hands-free calling, and their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit. Whether you're listening to music or making calls, the DeWalt Job Site Pro wireless earphones are a reliable choice for on-the-job use. The DeWalt USBC rechargeable Bluetooth speaker is a compact and lightweight speaker that delivers powerful sound. It can be easily recharged using a USB-C cable and offers up to 16 hours of battery life. With its IPX7 water and dust resistance rating, it is designed to withstand various outdoor conditions. The speaker also features a built-in microphone for convenient hands-free calling and easy-to-use controls. Whether you're working on a job site or enjoying outdoor activities, the DeWalt USBC rechargeable Bluetooth speaker provides a reliable and high-quality audio experience. The DeWalt Centrifugal Air Mover is a powerful and versatile tool that delivers up to 600 CFM of airflow. With its 3-speed motor and 3 different blowing positions, it is perfect for drying wet floors, ventilating work areas, and cooling large spaces. The air mover is designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport and position as needed. It features an ergonomic handle for comfortable carrying and is built to withstand tough conditions. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the DeWalt Centrifugal Air Mover is a reliable choice for both residential and commercial use. The DeWalt Job Site Wi-Fi system is a reliable and secure wireless networking solution designed for construction sites. It features a main access point and satellite access points that extend the network range. With easy setup and configuration, it can be tailored to meet the specific needs of any job site. The self-healing mesh network ensures uninterrupted internet access, even if one access point fails. This system enhances productivity, safety, and communication on the job site by providing reliable and secure internet connectivity. DeWalt Concrete DNA is an AI-powered technology that optimizes concrete mixes and operations. It utilizes wireless sensors to monitor curing and predict concrete strength, enabling faster pours, reduced cement usage, and improved quality. Developed in partnership with Converge, Concrete DNA has the potential to revolutionize the industry by reducing carbon emissions and enhancing efficiency. By detecting issues early, it prevents delays and reduces costs. Concrete producers, engineers, and contractors can benefit from adopting Concrete DNA to improve sustainability, efficiency, and overall concrete performance. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.